The world is changing, and artificial intelligence and robotics are becoming more common. Here are some predictions of these technologies. Band tours with robot drummer. When their human drummer cannot tour with his band, they travel with a robotic drummer. Robotic musicians open the door to reviving bands that can no longer tour. Michael Jackson returns as an animatronic that can mimic the same dance moves of human Michael in his prime. The Beatles, revived in robotic form, become a long-running stage show. Man fights to marry a domestic robot. A widower cared for by a domestic robot fights to become the first human to marry his caretaker. The family fears he'll leave everything to her when he dies. Human-to-human relationships decline. End of best friends. People no longer consider human friends as their best friends and instead feel their virtual pals know and understand them best. They cite listening skills, empathy, confidentiality, and trust as the top reasons they prefer virtual friendships. Pleasure pods. These specially designed pleasure pods put an end to prostitution. Using a combination of virtual reality and animatronics, men and women can be sexually satisfied within a few minutes at various locations. Used in combination with robot massage therapists, every patron leaves happy from their session. The wealthy have the units in their homes like they do exercise equipment today. Jealousy of virtual relationships causes divorces. Infidelity with virtual entities becomes the #1 reason for divorces. Divorce rates climb because virtual relationships have become more satisfying. Spouses file for divorce because they feel their partners no longer value them and are jealous of their virtual relationships. Defendants blame their robots for murder. Robots get blamed and framed in various murder cases. A public debate arises over whether a robot can become violent and inflict harm on humans. Rage against machines, human on robot violence. Seeking a return to a time when the world wasn't reliant on artificial intelligence and robotics, people resort to violence against the technology, attacking machines and the companies that manufacture or have used technology to replace human workers. Businesses market themselves as being robot-free and having products human-designed and made. End of decision-making. In much the same way that search engines replaced other ways of finding answers to questions, artificial intelligence replaces having to make your own decisions. Everyday decisions like what to wear and eat to more complex ones like how to deal with relationships, finances, and personal problems are at the discretion of personal virtual assistants. Deciding things on your own or using intuition is considered unintelligent and risky. Virtual celebrities. Celebrities create virtual versions of themselves and interact with their fans. People convert their virtual assistants to their favorite celebrities. You can get advice on any topic from a virtual expert who is or was an actual person. Discuss the theory of relativity with Einstein, invest with Warren Buffett, and learn to live like Jesus from your virtual messiah.